We are on our way to Antwerp to see some friend of us. Dreamy travel story! Antwerp. For once, we didn't plan this trip in details. We just wanted to follow our friends, Said and Sara, that we met while we were traveling in Laos, and let them show us their city. And do what we do best. Enjoy our time together, go for some vintage shopping, cute cafes, eat some amazing local food and try beers. So let's start our time together with a traditional dinner.
So that thing is...
This is a spicy crust.
That's a spicy crust.
With this inside.
Ah.
Just the meat. And then this one is the same.
Cut open.
Yeah.
Cut open.
Mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Ketchup. And onions.
Yeah.
Cheese inside.
This one is the slices of meat like this with onion, and then it's a spicy crust.
Okay. And then you had a ragu thing as well.
That's that one.
Yeah.
So many stuff.
And this is only like a fraction.
What is that, the William thing there?
This is andalous. This is the sauce I always eat with my fries.
Ah, I never tried that thing.
Yeah, it's a bit, well, it's spicy.
Okay, I have to try that thing because that looks nice. A lot of sauce, I like that. Okay, so now we have the triple carmelia. Carmelite?
Triple Carmelite. It's not a Trappist, but it's one of my favorite Belgian triple beers.
The day after, we went for a quick exploration of the city, then for a nice brunch at Café Matic. Café Matic is one of those cute cafes we love. Located in a nice and quiet part of Antwerp historical centre, with a cozy decor and great food, this place immediately stole our hearts. I know we just had brunch, but we couldn't miss Doughnuts. Simply because Doughnuts is a donut shop like no other. Every single donut here is a delicious masterpiece, and they also serve amazing soft drinks. Everywhere we go, we always check vintage shops. Think Twice, or Tichu, offers a wide range of vintage clothes at affordable prices. In some designated days, they discount their items. Save the dates because you will never see such low prices for this high-quality vintage. In Antwerp, it's also possible to see amazing graffitis. And great architecture. Wherever we go, we also like to try local breweries. ABC is the perfect place where to have a beer with our friends. Located a bit outside the city center, this brewery and tap room has a big outdoor space, and they serve good local beer. Dinner time! Tonight we eat at the Seven Shaken. Nothing better than trying the local cuisine and some local beer with friends. Cozy and warm restaurant, it's the perfect place where to experience what Antwerp has to offer.
amazing. It's so good. It tastes like something my grandmother was doing. For it's amazing.
Time for some other beer. Baldeco is a small nice brown cafe with great atmosphere. Located in the city center, they have a good selection of beers, nice music and a beautiful interiors in, of course, Art Deco style.
It's a new day!
And it's time for breakfast! There is no better place than Bakery de Lafayette to grab some delicious pastries to go. Those pastries deserve a great spot to be eaten, so we head to Spilton Sint Anna, a park on the left bank of the river Schild. To get to there we passed under the river in the Sint Anna tunnel, where it's possible to see a rare beautiful wooden escalator from 1930s.
It's really quiet here. There's a lot of green parks, and they're all connected, the parks. So you can spend the whole day in nature here, or just chilling by the river, having breakfast as we're gonna have.
And after breakfast and a bit of relax, it's time for lunch! A great spot for a sunny day is Pact, a hotspot of creative entrepreneurs and urban farmers. Here you can find a farm on the rooftop, a CrossFit gym, a coffee spot and much more. We are here for the delicious Italian-style pizza, prepared by Standard. Thank you guys for the amazing time we spent together. See you soon!